As we enter September 2024, the cryptocurrency market, especially Bitcoin, faces a month traditionally marked by volatility and uncertainty. Historically, September has been a challenging period for Bitcoin, often showing a dip in prices. However, understanding historical trends and patterns can provide valuable insights into what might lie ahead. This video will explore Bitcoin's performance in previous Septembers, compare it with other significant years, and consider the impact of external factors like Federal Reserve policies and Ethereum's market behavior. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clearer picture of the potential scenarios for Bitcoin in September 2024 and how to navigate them. When analyzing Bitcoin's performance over the years, one trend stands out. September tends to be a rough month for the cryptocurrency. Since its inception, Bitcoin has often struggled during this time, with more instances of price declines than gains. For example, if we look at the historical data, September has frequently been a red month for Bitcoin, characterized by notable price drops. However, there have been exceptions to this trend. In 2012 and 2016, both halving years, Bitcoin managed to buck the trend and close September in the green. Interestingly, 2022, which was not a halving year, also saw Bitcoin end the month with a positive return. The key question as we approach September 2024 is whether this year will follow the typical pattern of decline, or if it will mirror the exceptions seen in 2012, 2016, and 2022. What makes 2024 particularly intriguing is its similarity to 2016. In both years, August saw a roughly 8% drop in Bitcoin's price, leading some analysts to draw parallels between the two. The halving event, which reduces the reward for mining new blocks by half, tends to have a significant impact on Bitcoin's price, often leading to a supply shock that can drive prices up. However, whether this effect will be enough to counteract the traditional September slump remains to be seen. While Bitcoin often takes center stage in discussions about cryptocurrency trends, Ethereum plays a crucial role in the broader market dynamics. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has shown patterns that sometimes mirror Bitcoin's but also diverge in significant ways. Analyzing Ethereum's past behavior, especially in relation to Bitcoin, can provide deeper insights into what might happen in September 2024. One of the key metrics to consider is the correlation coefficient between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Over the past 365 days, this correlation has been as high as 96%, indicating that when Bitcoin's price moves in a particular direction, Ethereum is likely to follow. However, this correlation is not absolute, and there have been instances where Ethereum has charted its own course. For example, in 2019, during the Federal Reserve's rate cuts, Bitcoin experienced a decline in September, while Ethereum ended the month in the green. If we look at 2016, another halving year for Bitcoin, Ethereum also saw a positive September, adding weight to the argument that Ethereum's performance could be a leading indicator for Bitcoin's behavior this month. In 2024, Ethereum has already shown some similarities to its 2016 performance, with green months in January, February, and March, followed by red months in April, June, July, and August. If this pattern continues, Ethereum could once again see a positive September, which might suggest a similar outcome for Bitcoin. The role of macroeconomic factors, particularly the policies of the Federal Reserve, cannot be overstated when it comes to their impact on Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. The Federal Reserve's decisions on interest rates, quantitative tightening, and quantitative easing have historically had a significant influence on Bitcoin's price movements. In 2019, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates, marking a pivotal shift in monetary policy. This rate cut, which occurred in July, led to a complex reaction in the cryptocurrency market. While Bitcoin experienced a slight decline in July and a more pronounced drop in September, Ethereum saw a positive return during the same period. This divergence highlights the nuanced impact that Federal Reserve policies can have on different cryptocurrencies. As we look at 2024, the possibility of a similar rate cut looms on the horizon. The Federal Reserve has been engaged in a cycle of rate hikes to combat inflation, but with signs of economic slowdown, and a potential inversion of the yield curve, a rate cut could be imminent. If this happens, it could trigger a reaction similar to what we saw in 2019, with Bitcoin experiencing short-term volatility and potentially another red September. However, it's also possible that a rate cut, combined with other factors like the Bitcoin halving and Ethereum's performance, could lead to a more positive outcome. The key takeaway is that while the Federal Reserve's actions are a critical factor, they are not the only one. The interplay between monetary policy, market sentiment, and cryptocurrency-specific factors, like the halving, will all play a role in determining the outcome of September 2024. Comparisons to past cycles, lessons from 2016-2019, and beyond. To better understand what might happen in September 2024, it's valuable to compare this period to past cycles, particularly 2016 and 2019. Each of these years offers unique insights into how Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market might behave. 2016 was a halving year for Bitcoin, much like 2024. The halving event reduces the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market, often leading to a supply-demand imbalance that drives prices up. In 2016, Bitcoin saw a positive September, which was part of a broader upward trend that continued into the following year. The similarity between 2016 and 2024, particularly the 8% drop in August, suggests that Bitcoin could follow a similar path this year. On the other hand, 2019 presents a different picture. This was not a halving year, but it was marked by significant macroeconomic changes, including the Federal Reserve's rate cuts. In September 2019, Bitcoin experienced a significant decline, while Ethereum posted a gain. This divergence suggests that while Bitcoin and Ethereum are often correlated, they can also move independently, especially in response to external factors like monetary policy. When we compare these past cycles to the current market, it's clear that 2024 shares elements of both 2016 and 2019. The ongoing rate hikes potential for a rate cut and the recent halving all contribute to a complex and unpredictable environment. While past cycles can provide valuable lessons, it's important to remember that each cycle is unique, and the outcome of September 2024 will depend on a combination of factors, including market sentiment, macroeconomic conditions, and cryptocurrency-specific events. Seasonality and market expectations. Balancing patterns with uncertainty. Seasonality is a well-known concept in financial markets, and the cryptocurrency market is no exception. Certain times of the year tend to be more favorable for asset prices, while others are less so. For Bitcoin, September has historically been one of the weaker months, with more instances of price declines than gains. However, seasonality is just one piece of the puzzle, and relying too heavily on it can be misleading. In the case of Bitcoin, August and September have traditionally been challenging months. The reasons for this are not entirely clear, but it could be due to a combination of factors, including lower trading volumes, profit-taking by investors, and broader market conditions. However, it's important to note that while these months have been weak in the past, there have been exceptions. For example, September 2016 and 2022 both saw positive returns for Bitcoin despite the general trend of decline. As we approach September 2024, it's crucial to keep this seasonality in mind, but not to let it dominate our expectations. The market is influenced by a wide range of factors, including macroeconomic conditions, regulatory developments, and technological advancements. While seasonality can provide some guidance, it should be viewed as one of many tools in an investor's toolkit. This September, the market is facing a particularly complex set of conditions, including the potential for a Federal Reserve rate cut, the recent Bitcoin halving, and Ethereum's performance. These factors could lead to a departure from the usual September pattern, either positively or negatively. Therefore, while it's important to be aware of the historical trends, it's equally important to stay flexible and open to the possibility that this September could break the mold. Potential scenarios for September 2024, exploring the possibilities. Given the complex mix of factors at play, several potential scenarios could unfold in September 2024 for Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. Understanding these scenarios can help investors prepare for whatever the market throws at them. One possibility is that Bitcoin follows the pattern seen in 2016 and 2012, both halving years, and ends September in the green. This would likely be driven by a combination of reduced supply from the halving, continued institutional interest, and positive market sentiment. In this scenario, Ethereum would also likely post gains, further supporting the idea that the two cryptocurrencies are closely correlated. Another scenario is that Bitcoin follows the pattern seen in 2019, where despite the broader market conditions, it ends September in the red. This outcome could be driven by a number of factors, including continued macroeconomic uncertainty, a slower than expected response to the halving, or profit-taking by investors who bought in earlier in the year. In this case, Ethereum might diverge from Bitcoin, potentially ending the month in the green as it did in 2019. A third possibility is that the market sees a significant move, either up or down, driven by unexpected news or events. This could include a major regulatory development, a surprise announcement from a major institution, or a sudden shift in market sentiment. In this scenario, the usual patterns and correlations might not hold, leading to increased volatility and uncertainty. Ultimately, the outcome of September 2024 is uncertain, and investors should be prepared for a range of possibilities. By staying informed, remaining flexible, and being prepared to adapt to changing conditions, investors can navigate this potentially volatile period with greater confidence. As we look ahead to September 2024, it's clear that this month could be a pivotal one for Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. Historical trends suggest that September is often a challenging month for Bitcoin, but there have been notable exceptions. The unique conditions in 2024, including the recent Bitcoin halving, the potential for a Federal Reserve rate cut, and Ethereum's performance, add further complexity to the picture. While it's impossible to predict with certainty what will happen, understanding the historical context, analyzing the factors at play, and considering the potential scenarios can help investors make more informed decisions. Whether Bitcoin ends September in the green or red, the key is to stay informed, remain flexible, and be prepared for whatever the market may bring. As always, it's important to approach the market with caution, especially during periods of heightened uncertainty. By staying informed and taking a measured approach, investors can navigate the challenges of September 2024 and position themselves for success in the months and years ahead. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of what September 2024 might hold for Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. We hope this analysis has provided valuable insights and helped you prepare for the month ahead. If you found this content helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide in-depth analysis and insights on the cryptocurrency market. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts on what September 2024 might bring. Will it be a red or green month for Bitcoin? We'd love to hear your predictions. Also, stay tuned for our upcoming content, where we'll continue to explore the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market, provide updates on Bitcoin's performance, and discuss strategies for navigating these uncertain times. Thanks for watching.